What electric gun safe dehumidifier will be best? Electric gun safe dehumidifier. An electric gun safe dehumidifier is a device that helps to reduce the humidity inside a gun safe. It minimizes the chances of corrosion and rust forming on firearms. Benefits of electric gun safe dehumidifier in gun safes. Prevents rusting and corrosion of firearms. Reduces the likelihood of mold and mildew formation. Eliminates moisture-related problems such as warping, swelling, and shrinking. Types of gun safe dehumidifier. There are 3 types of gun safe dehumidifiers: electric, passive, and desiccant. 5 electric gun safe dehumidifier. Number 1. Lockdown Goldenrod Dehumidifier Rod. Number 2. Lockdown Gun Saver Dehumidifier with slim, low-profile design. Number 3. Safekeeping Dryer and Dehumidifier for Gun Safes. Number 4. SnapSafe Gun Safe Dehumidifier Rod. Number 5. Liberty Safe Dehumidifier.